Honestly, I feel for my friend.
Me too. No woman should lose her husband. At least not at an early age. And to think they just got married.
Honestly. The sad fact is that her husband's people are already scheming ways to snatch over his property.
Really?
Yeah.
As long as there was a court marriage, a traditional and religious wedding, she would be in full charge of all her husband's properties. All she needs is a good lawyer.
Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm coming. How are you, first of all?
You said you'll be here soonest.
I wanted to make food and bring something for you before hunger will kill you.
Even though you came with a little insult, I will still take it. See you soon.
That's okay. See you soon. Bye.
Oh my God! This dirty. Madam, no face, okay? Wake up, madam, wake up. How did the better go? I said, the better, how far did he go?
The man has been buried.
Ew.
Why are you crying?
Nah, for the man, we die now. And they cry because of the man. The man, and the help that cry. You understand? Because of the man.
Do you know him?
Yeah?
Do you know the man?
No. I don't know the man. Let me say I know the man. I don't know him. Nah, I said, make I help you. Make I help you that cry. Yeah? Make I just...
What?
You see your face, see? Your makeup not even spoil. Your makeup still there as it dey. You don't spoil at all. Let me say you don't cry now. Let me say you don't cry at all. You don't cry today. Make I help you cry the cry, but make I help you cry the cry today.
I am not in the mood to laugh. Answer your gate, man. Did you cry or not?
Please, learn to mind your business, okay? And stop making this public show of stupidity. And please try and grow up.
Nah, we are going to grow again. But we don't cry. You don't know if you don't cry, if you die, you don't
Get out! Out!
Yeah.
To your duty post. Clown.
Hi, brother.
No lectures today?
Don't mind the lecturer. He postponed to 5 p.m. What? I'm already leaving.
Okay.
What do you have with you?
My lunch. Oh, do you have a problem with that?
No, I'm just asking.
Okay. So,
Bye.
bye.
What? Why are you looking at me like that? What?
And why are you crying?
I just dey feel for the man wey die. The man wey die. Nothing.
Okay, you mean the burial my brother and his wife attended?
Yes. That man, your brother and his wife will go in. No one, Daka. You know that, That is not good. That is not good.
Yes, we all know that. We all know that. I understand you. Oh, but wait a minute. Are you related to him?
You know what? Yeah, I don't need. You don't need to make a relate to the man before I just said that's not good. You see that? You see that? This is that idiot.
Idiot. It's okay. Please, can you come and open the gate? Please.
Just like that. What? You know, feel for person will die. No, but small madam, you know, feel say person die if he cry for them. No, super I advise you. You see this like way there. If person die, try cry for that person. Many person don't kill you. You don't know that. If you die,
I'm putting it before I lose it for you.
no man. When they try, if you die, nobody gonna cry for you. Nobody gonna cry for you if you die.
Hello.
Hey, Choma. I've been trying to reach you.
Yeah, Lucy.
Are you home now?
Oh, yeah, I'm home already. I'm trying to change and then go to the kitchen. Lest I forget. How do you guys cope with a sister or brother-in-law living in the same house with you?
Now, wow. Never have I ever tolerated that. Wait a minute. Is Cassie's sister still living there?
Yes, she's still here.
Huh. Choma. Choma. Your mumu too much. Your mumu don't too much. It's too much. Everything I'm gonna tell you. You're supposed to be controlling the neck that the head is resting on. Not this nonsense you're doing. What are you going to? I don't know. Madam, take care of your home. Haba. You Choma, I beg. Take care.
What does she mean by that?
What's this now? Eat quick. You know I'm going and you're busy watching movie. It's late.
Please, please. Don't disturb me. This food is way too delicious to be eaten in a hurry. Pico, let me eat.
You know that's my signature, Susan's kitchen.
Susan's kitchen. That sounds delicious too.
Look at you. Because of food now you are accepting anything I say. Susan's kitchen. Just because of food. What food can cause? Huh?
Look at you. You are mad. I take your food.
No. Eat. Just eat. Eat fast.
No, I'm not that hungry. You can take this food. I'm not that hungry.
As if I collect this food now, you will not die. Please, baby, eat. Let me go home, Joe.
I'm not eating again.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Come on.
Kiss me first.
I was just joking.
First kiss.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm hungry again. But this food is delicious, man.
But please, eat fast.
What did
It's
you put
late.
inside? What did you put inside?
Babe, I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
Do you hate my sister?
No. Why?
Why are you always speaking on her? It's not just about today. Like you always speak on her. Why?
I don't pick on your sister. And about today was just a harmless question. Please, babe, let's not let this topic ruin our night. Please.
It's not going to ruin our night. I just want you to answer me. Why do you always speak on my sister?
I don't think I'm... I don't...
Who there? It's me. It's you who? I said it's me. What is me? It's me, your name. Who there? I said it's me.
Please open this door. Susan.
Leave him now. Okay. Sorry. I don't say that you no verse. No verse. Sorry.
So you didn't hear me?
Or you didn't know that it's me? You didn't recognize my voice or what?
No verse. Now you know say voice. They hear voice every day. They hear voice. No verse. Welcome, Auntie Suzanne.
Huh?
I say, welcome, Auntie. That's Auntie Suzanne. Welcome, Auntie Suzanne.
Remove the auntie. Remove it.
Oh, no verse.
I senior you. Abi, I look like your mama.
No verse. No verse. Small madam. Small madam, welcome.
Welcome. So, you stopped crying? Like you stopped crying. Why?
That time when you come out, that time when you come out, that time when they come out, as you come out, that time and this time, na the same thing. Na the same thing. One thing get beginning, you get ending. That one.
I love that part. What has beginning has an end. So I pray someday this your foolishness will have an end. Yes, at least someday.
Nene kwikwi. Nene mbadi Igbo. Idiot. Idiot.
Good girl. You're back.
Yes, I'm back. School lady, point of correction.
Anyone. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Good night.
Susie. About what my wife did earlier today. Please, just see it as nothing, okay?
That one. I don't even see her face. So it's nothing already.
Better, please. No, they see her. Huh? Just ignore everything she's doing. Pretend like you don't even see it, okay?
Brother, you know what? Tell her to avoid me. I think that's the best. Good night once again. Bye.
Why is Choma always out for trouble? Choma. Why is she always out for troubles?
Hey. Come here.
Wait.
What?
I'm not here.
Not here? Why not here? What do you mean by not here?
You know my sister is around. What if she walks in on us? Come on.
Really? Your sister? I just can't do this. Excuse me. I'm just despicable. Hey, Lucy. Yeah, I'm okay. No, Lucy. I am not okay. I'm sick and tired of this. It's Cassie. You can imagine he won't even let me live my own life in my house. I mean, this is my husband. Okay, fine. Let me explain. I went downstairs to make out with my husband in the living room and he stopped me all because of his so-called sister. Yes! That she's not meant to see us that way. Can you imagine? I can't even live my own life in my house. Honestly, I am sick and tired. I'm so pissed. Yeah. Okay. You mean I should tell him that? Leave me alone.
Babe, we can do it here instead of the living room.
Really? Cassie, please give your sister Susan some money to get a hostel of her own, just like her mates out there. I can't keep doing this.
I
Huh?
don't want my sister to...
You don't want her to what? To sleep with other men? But you've been sleeping with me and I'm someone else's sister.
You are my wife.
But you started sleeping with me before you got married to me, right? And come to think of it, what if she has been telling us lies that she has been going to school, but she has been sneaking off to a man's house?
Chioma, stop.
No, that's the truth.
What are you saying?
All I'm saying is that you should give your sister money to get a hostel. She can't be staying here every time and then we'll be sneaking around like lousy teenagers. It's really pissing me off.
Wait a minute. But what's the money for? Maybe it's a mistake. Let me go and see him.
Good morning, the most amazing big brother. The cutest brother in the whole wide world. The man on fire. How was your night?
All these names, because you received a lot, right?
So, what's the money for?
Yeah, use part of the money and get a good and comfortable hostel in school. And then the rest is for your upkeep throughout the semester. Listen, if you call me and ask me for money, I am going to block you. 2 million naira is not a chicken change. Bye.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Let me even do the picking up time. Thank you!
Hello, baby. How are you doing?
My brother just sent me money. He said I should move down to the hostel.
You are kidding, right?
How can I be joking with such a thing? Like, I should move down to the hostel.
Yes! Finally. So, you are coming in today? Like, you are moving in?
I am coming down ASAP. I don't even need to waste time again. Like, no.
I love the sound of that. So, I'll be waiting for you, okay?
Okay. Alright, see you. See you very soon.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hello. Have you forgotten the instruction? I'll call you whenever I need you. Please. Hey girls. What's up? Yeah, I'm just doing the finishing touches. Are you out? Alright, okay. See you shortly. Bye-bye.
I'm leaving.
Oh, okay. You're free to come every weekend, all right? I actually love you to come by and cook that special egusi soup you make for us.
No problem. Maybe one of these days I'll come by and teach you.
I don't want to learn.
Okay, if you don't want to.
All right, thank you. I hope he gave you some money and promised you a monthly allowance. Did he?
Yes, he did. Thank you so much.
That's fine. I'm going out and I'll be going through your school. Can I drop you off?
Don't worry. I already booked a ride and he's here already.
All right. Okay, let me see you off. Bye. All right, take care. Where's your other box of paper?
Excess food, that is my excitement. Both the food in the bedroom and the food in the kitchen.
Mother, don't jubilate too much. Because very soon I'm going to leave this your room and get my own place.
Come on, babe. That will be a total waste of money. Besides, this place is big enough for the both of us. Don't you think?
It's not your money. And you want me to stay here with you so that someday you will just kick me out when we fight. Huh?
But we don't fight, do we?
But what if we start fighting?
What if we start fighting?
Yeah.
Then I'll make you sleep on the floor or in that toilet.
What? You're not romantic at all. I was expecting you to say something that would just milk my heart.
Milk your heart?
Come, please. That's enough.
Well, talking about milking of hearts, why don't you come here? Let me start milking this.
go, please leave me alone.
You're right.
Leave me.
Wow, congratulations.
I'm serious. Wow. You know what?
I think when
Hot.
Okay, fine.
Of course.
I have it taken care of.
Oh my goodness. You get mine too.
Hey! We have drinks
I
now.
don't send you. No send. Unbothered. How did we become friends? Jesus, what I mean. Paul. Paul now, they bite you. Wow,
I know you're drunk.
Paul.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. Oh, God, Mary.
So,
To the dead.
to the dead.
I am finally free.
Like a bird.
Like a bird, baby.
Bad
girl. I keep wondering how we got here. How did we meet? You know, sir, no said, no money. Come on, in this modern time, no man fit cage me. It's not possible. They never born
Their papa.
Their papa.
That reminds me.
You, Chomzi, how far now? When are you joining us?
I don't think I have balls like you guys. But hey, we're here to celebrate, right? We're here to celebrate Valerie. Why don't we stick to it and maybe some other time we can talk about me? Right?
Yeah.
So to Valerie. Congrats.
A lady with the strongest hands. You will get You get
More drinks, right?
Yeah, sure.
Babe, what is it?
I'm worried. Or should I say disappointed? Earlier today, I saw Ethan with a girl.
He's an adult?
And underaged.
Are you kidding me?
No. Babe, honestly, if you ask me, I would say fire him.
Fire him?
Yes, please.
For just one mistake?
A costly mistake at that.
Babe, you know what? I'm going to call 18 and I am going to caution him and make sure it doesn't repeat itself, okay?
Babe.
Listen, 18 has worked with us for a long time for we to just fire him like that.
People change.
I will talk to him. He listens to me. Okay? Okay. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Please just tell Chike to keep them busy and show them our showreel while I get there. Yeah, I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay. Babe.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go and shower. Okay, let's go. You're waiting for me at the office.
Alright. So have a good day at work, okay? See. Okay. All right.
This life, yeah? People they cry, say they no get job, We will get job. We won't kill ourselves for the job. Eh? This can't contribute. I will just there one day and I use my mouth to kill myself. Huh? Hey! Jesus! Which kind of temptation? Which kind of temptation be this one? Which one be this one? Eh? Who consider me this kind of big money now? Who consider me this money will make the phone dey heavy? See mistake, consider for this money. Yeah? Person make mistake, send me this kind of money. Jesus, who I give my account number? Who? Yeah, Jineke. See mistake, I don't go. I know my own money enter my phone. I don't know who got this money. Oh. The person who get this money, if you know as he takes this money, use that the same part I command this money from my phone. Oh. I know my own. Oh. Yeah? Who's good? Hey! Yeah! This is an call. Yeah, ma? Oh, yes, ma. Okay. You got a problem. Madam.
Yeah.
You.
Oh, yes.
Call me.
I sent you some money. Did you see it?
Yes. I say, because I just day, all of a sudden, wow, my phone got heavy. I say, hey, this way, this kind of money enter this phone. I begin think, this way, na mistake. I be okay. I go okay. Maybe madam won't make I buy land for You know, say madam, I do. I go say my spirit call tell me say, be like say this business we do now, as this gate man now we dey now. Say it good make you add with another 10. You understand? So I go say, what be this business now? Now my mind go enter real estate management. You know, and he get one collection why I get for this Congo estate. I say this money wey he say for me now. Let's say what make I buy land for you. I say hey, this thing.
18.
Madam.
I sent you an upfront of your 3-month salary and extra 100,000 naira.
Okay.
I want you to pack your stuff and leave.
Eh? Now get busy. Eh? What did I do? God? No wonder. No wonder the way the speed walk I take for. I say, what if that way I do now? But I'm sorry that if
No, please stand up. You didn't do anything wrong, okay? Oga and I are traveling.
Fine. No problem now. If I travel, hey, when I travel before and I did there, no problem now. We don't go travel. No.
18, listen. We'll be out for a very long while. Alright?
It don't matter.
There's no point keeping you here and you whiling away your time doing nothing. Spending the little you have.
But no, forget the money we sent for me. And I'm using Wala. You know me now. I know
Tim, listen to me, okay? I want you to pack your stuff and leave. Your services won't be needed. Alright? And please make it fast, okay? I'm going out.
No, back at this and leave.
Tim, get out!
Sorry, back at this and leave.
This guy.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Go pack your things and go. Now get it messy. Pack your things and go. Nah. If I say I don't go back, what's going to happen? After all, no. No, madam. No, madam, employ me. No, God. Just like that. Let me say you get anything when you do. You don't know anything, you say, fuck your things like go. You don't know that.
Ready?
I don't know what this is.
The key.
Key, what?
The key to the gate.
Okay.
Alright, go and get it. Hurry up, please. Are you crazy? Take it out!
Sorry.
Hey, Tim, are you stupid? Take that dirty bag out of here! Take it out! Silly. Your phone. I need to put in my number. I'm going to call you myself whenever your services are needed. Do not call my husband. At the moment, he's passing through a lot. I'll be the one to call you when your services are needed. Am I clear?
That's if you say I don't go call the man will give you work. I don't go pick up
The part I said that he's passing through a lot. Here.
Nah,
Get out! You stupid Let's go. 18. Get out.
Get out! Move out!
You never tell me when they're there. You never tell me they're good. You don't say one there. I never want them to say I love
Where is the
you.
padlock?
Yeah?
Where is the padlock?
The padlock.
Where is it?
Man, you don't say, na gate key, say make I give you.
Where is the padlock? 18.
You will see them my side.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Madam, you know, since when you there, I never tell you one day say I love you.
Please.
I never tell you say I love you.
18, leave. I don't want to hurt you. Get out. Leave. Leave. Get out.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you here again.
You never tell me what I do.
Poor 18.
Yeah, he said we can't be able to reach him because of network issue. And whenever he gets out of the village, he'll be able to call us.
Okay.
And then I gave him extra money to add up for his father's burial.
Oh, that was so nice of you. Gee, you know you're such a good woman.
That's why you married me, right?
You can say that again.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I love it.
Baby. Breakfast?
Breakfast in bed? It's not even my birthday.
Come on, don't be like that, babe.
Don't mind me. I was just joking. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me, darling. taking good care of you is my utmost priority. All right?
Making you happy and providing for you is my duty call. I love you.
And I love you even more. Hello?
Where have you been?
Hey, Lucy, Valerie, how are you girls? And wait, what's with the conference call? Where are you?
Well, I'm at the bar, waiting for my little boyfriend. Yeah, to finish from lectures. So we can go have fun. You know I like them young.
Lucy, how are you and your lovely husband?
Who husband help? I beg you. This evening I'll be going to the hotel to see my ex. Yes, you know that big thing still makes me feel good.
Wait, girls. What has come over you? Have you two forgotten that there is something called marriage and there are rules that come with it?
And so, there are rules in marriage. So, rules like we should not live our lives anymore. Is that? I beg. Oh, rules like one can't sleep with another man, right? That was actually the reason I got rid of my husband. Yes, come on. Marriage shouldn't be a do or die affair. I know we're married, right? But we can still be screwed by someone else. My dear, it is time to change that narrative. Enjoy your life, please.
You know what? I think I've had enough for today. Today's just starting, but with this... God, I'm done. I have to go now, right? I just came out from the bathroom and I have to get dressed. Speak to you later.
Hello, Choma.
How can I unhear this?
I beg as Choma don't hang up. Come meet me for my bar. Okay. Right away. I hope my usual is available. Of course, now your usual is available. Come here. Drunk. Come, I beg. Okay, I'll be there right away. Let me just finish up my food. Okay. Bye.
Hey.
Hey, baby. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, how was your day?
Fine, babe. I am so famished.
I know, right? How about I feed you with this food?
You know I lose control whenever you're not here.
Then let's go haywire. Yes.
I didn't know you'd be this crazy, naughty, and adventurous too.
Babe, marriage shouldn't come with rules, you know. If not, we'll miss out on the fun.
You're right.
Let me get you something to drink, right?
Oh, okay.
Be right back.
Alright.
Here you go, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Especially made for you.
Babe, please, can you help me with my iPad upstairs?
Yeah, sure. Come in.
All right.
Sorry. Babe, I didn't see it.
Oh.
Yeah, I searched everywhere. It's not there.
Maybe it's in the car. I'll just check later.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
Do you care for another glass?
No, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right, let me quickly fix us lunch.
All right.
Are you alright? Huh?
I don't know. I think I want to go upstairs and rest. Please, can you just
Yeah, sure.
just take me off?
Fine now. I think you need to rest and I'll give you something to do. Sorry, babe. Sorry. What's wrong? Let me quickly take you upstairs. Okay, I'll get you some water.
Okay.
I'm fine. You need to lie down. Easy. Easy, babe. Easy. Sorry, Stop, babe, stop coughing, sorry. Can I help you with anything? Huh? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Maybe you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine, just... Baby, stay there! My darling, stay there. Come, baby. Don't worry, everything will be okay. Can I call for help? Huh? Babe, can I call for help? Cassie. Baby. Cassie. Oh my god. Cassie. Cassie. Oh my god. He's dead. Oh my god. Cassie. Okay. Now he's dead. You need to go save the Cassie! Oh, really? Okay. That's not a problem at all. Okay. See ya. Oh. Let's go. Pick up now, pick up. you? Yeah, Stephanie, it's done. He's dead.
Are you for real?
The idiot is dead. He's dead.
Wow, like wow. This is good news. But first off, where is Etim and Susan?
I made him send Susan to the campus. She's there now, and I sent Etim away. He's in his village.
Brilliant. Smart. Intelligent. Good girl, good girl. Good girl.
Stephanie, I never knew that this poison from Akanshi is this effective. Do you know that he took a whole glass of juice, and immediately he took it. A few seconds later, he's still convulsing.
But I told you. You know what? You just have to start crying now. Cry.
I already cried a little upstairs.
Are you mad? Your husband just died. You're supposed to cry. I mean, shout, scream, lament, let the whole world hear you. Shout! Hold on. Before you start doing that, you have to make sure the documents to all his properties, I mean cars, houses, everything is in your hands.
Okay, alright.
Good. So, I'll be coming over right away. One more thing. Do not forget to call his family. Very important.
Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh my world! Like, oh my world! So, Chioma, is this easy to deceive? Just like this? Like for real? Okay. Baby. Yes, my love. It has happened. It has happened. The idiot is dead. I swear. Nah. That one is just a small thing for me. Let's say in 2 months' time. 2 months is even too much. Just give me 1 month and I'll take her off. Of course. She's too small to handle all those wealth.
Hi, Chioma.
Chiki, it is done. He's dead. His body's still fresh in the room. I killed him.
Who?
Your best friend, Cassie. He is dead. He's lying down in his lifeless body.
Wow. This is good news. You know what? I'll be coming right away.
Okay. Chiki, you know what this means, right?
Of course I do. I know what it means. It means that we are free to do whatever we want to do. No more hide and seek.
Alright. I'm waiting for you, okay? Hurry up, I'm waiting.
Rest in peace, Kingsley.
Big girl. Who is that? Is it by looks? Forget talk, Jerry. See, there's a demon in everyone. Choma is as bad as we are. Maybe she just wraps a demon.
Well, I don't know about you. As for me, I am not bad. I am a good wife. Yes. The only thing I ever ask of is the freedom to do the things that I like. You know, right? I am tired of this method of marriage and life. The man this, the man that. Like, we should be allowed to cheat and ask for forgiveness. Go on trips with male assistants. You get the point, right?
I know, baby girl, I know. But hold on. Why are you still complaining? You're already living the life you caved for yourself.
So, baby girl, you know why I'm complaining?
Why?
Because a whole lot of people out there sees me as this bad wife. Yes, worst wife.
My dear, don't mind people. Understand? Just do whatever that pleases you. Do whatever that makes you happy. Of course. Not allow anybody put aside for your garri. You understand?
Yeah, you're right.
Choma also wants to be out there. Just that she can't get out. If I have my way, I will scatter that girl. I'll pull her out from that shell. What's that? What?
Cassie is dead.
What?
Where is he? Where is he? You're so bold. Like you've done this before. Have you done what I asked you to do? No.
Why?
I'm so scared to go inside the room. He's there. Go and get me a knife. Knife? Fast about it. What do you want to use a knife for?
Get me a knife.
Okay, I'm coming.
Dikiana. I thought you said you were unwound. Rest in peace, Cassie. Rest.
Auntie, so what do we do next? When the police comes, we'll tell them Hoodlums attacked. He tried to fight back and he was strangled to death. And you were stabbed. Okay. What if they find the poison? They won't find out. You just bring it out so I can dispose it. Okay. Alright, I'll do just that. Hey, the knife, what do you intend to do with it? But you heard me. That you were stabbed. So, I will stab you to make it look real. Yes. No. I will have to.
No, we can do that. We can do it some other way. I don't want to say anything anymore.
Oh my God, please take it easy. Sorry. Slow. Oh my God. Oh, please, just take it easy, please.
What really happened? I mean, I was with him in the office today and he said he wants to go and have lunch and return. And then I just got a call. happened?
Hoodlums attacked. One thing led to the other. And he was strangled to death.
God.
She was badly injured.
Nurse,
Yes?
are you sure she'll be fine? Don't you think we should take her to the hospital for a proper checkup?
No, that won't be necessary.
Ness, are you sure?
Yes. The cut is not deep.
Oh.
And we have to take care of it.
Oh, thank God.
Please, you better be sure of this. Are you sure?
We're very sure she's really fine.
Sure, we have to take her, okay?
It's okay. We'll be fine.
We have to take her. This country.
I'm gonna say we see him. R.I.P. to the dead, you know. Yeah, alright. Later. Waiting. I understand. They meditate and be waiting. Why you in such mood? Eh? What's happening? I beg. Don't tell me say you want to cry. Don't just try it. Are you kill him? Or you want to tell me you were having an affair with that guy?
Valerie, no.
Why are you moody now? How?
Girl. You see, Cassie's our friend. He's our friend long ago before he even proposed and married Choma. I can't just believe that he's dead and gone forever.
He is gone forever. Believe that, baby. You need to believe that. My dear, Cassie was my friend as well. But you won't kill yourself now. Cheer up, I beg. Which will be that one. Now, only you don't die before. So many people don't die. I beg you, cheer up. Hey, can't believe he's dead. He's dead now. Cheer up. Better. Like that smile.
Brother Cassie is dead. But life still remains in us. We have no choice. We have to live on. Please, Uncle, just help me tell Choma to stop crying. We will survive this. Please. Yes. And the body is still in the house. Okay. I'll see to that.
What did Uncle Matthew say?
He said that we should keep the body until the kinsman arrives. But due to the urgency of his death, it's only Uncle Kuro that's on his way coming.
I think we should just move his body to the mortuary.
Yes, I think so too, because before you know it now, his body will start decaying. And I don't want that for my bosom friend, my best friend. I don't want that.
It won't decay. He just died barely 2 hours ago. His body won't decay. Please. He won't decay.
Precautionary measures.
No, we have to wait. It's okay.
Stay, come back.
Choma, it's okay.
Wait, babe, you get waiting. I don't understand. Like, I'm kind of confused right now. Few minutes ago, you were crying over a dead friend. And now you're laughing. How? You be witch.
She killed him.
What? You think Choma killed her husband?
Yes. And hey, I did not just think Choma killed her husband. I know so. Okay, look at it this way. Cassie did not die of plane crash, auto crash. Sleep died from there. He went to office. Then he was called to come home for lunch. And boom, he's dead. Oh, please. Think.
Oh, my dear. I understand your plight, though. Now you're talking. I'll stop it. Stop it. You think Chioma is as wicked as you are? You hypnotized your husband, and now he is forever an imbecile. You think Chioma would have the heart to kill her husband?
Shut up. Look who's talking. Have you forgotten that you murdered your husband in a cold blood? What is she looking for? Murder.
Hey, please. Enough of the ugly stories, okay? Please. Let's not just go towards that direction. Fine. Let's go and see Chioma at once, please.
Good girl.
Excuse me. One phone call. Yeah, hello, baby boy. You're not done with lectures. Okay, fine. You give me a call when you're done with lectures, okay? Yeah, I'm not around now. Okay. I love you more. Take care of yourself. Yeah, but good. Okay, babe, Mogo. Dead man. Bond come. If after 2 hours your people are not here, I will have no choice than to move you to the morgue. Hello, sweetheart. I don't know why you're stressing yourself. I have told you everything is under control. But of course, she's too small for me. I'll search for the documents and every valuables, move them to my house. Yes, my love. No, she can't even stand in my way. There's no time. Let me just start searching. Yeah. Where do I start from? I think it's here. I have to break it. That's the place.
She's a clean Jezebel, pretender to the worst. The more you look cold, the less you see. I don't know how an enemy become a friend. Oh, she's a great snake under the green.
Babe, the gate man is not here. And moreover, there's no space to park inside. I think you should park outside.
All right, let me park outside.
Oh, her face is clean, pure.
So, like this, all these things now belongs to Choma. Cassie is dead and gone forever.
Forever. But wait, do you want to share her properties with her?
Well, with the things I've got in my name, I mean, I don't need anymore. I'm just happy for her. That at least she'll start functioning like a woman and she'll start living her life to the fullest.
You're right. Exactly why I have told her to come out of her shell. And I think it's time to do so.
Oh, about that, Choma have always wanted to do so. It's just that she's a smooth operator. I mean, she killed her husband. I know so. And I'm very, very sure that her sister is involved. They pretend a lot.
And you gossip a lot. Let's go inside. Let's go and sympathize with her first. Come here.
Thank you. Thank you. That's okay. Thank you.
Hi. Sweetheart.
My baby.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry, my love. Oh, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Amy, because he's gone. He's gone.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. He's actually gone. Sorry. Sorry. Don't worry, you're going to be fine, okay? Yeah, hi, Steph. Yeah, please. Okay, bye.
Just excuse me. Beds. Yes. Can you imagine?
Yeah, I can imagine. Hi. Hi. This is too bad.
No, sis. Hey, kiss.
Why are you shouting?
Kiss. Sorry. Beds.
Your husband's body is nowhere to be found. I don't understand. What are you talking about? I don't understand either. Stephanie, I thought you said that she said that his spirit will not disturb us. So why this?
That's what he said, but I can't even explain this.
Okay, wait. Did you see his body disappear? I said his body is not on the bed. Just come. No. What? I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared of what? Come on, just come. Hey! Oh my God. You're right, though. How can this be possible now? How can a full body get missing? How can he just disappear and to where?
I am as confused as hell.
But Stephanie, what are we talking about? We killed him. We killed Cassie.
Not to worry. We'll find the body.
Wait. Does it mean that his spirit has taken over his body and now out to haunt us? Eh?
He will not try that rubbish. He won't try that. In fact, come.
Then where is he now?
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I've heard you. Thank you.
He said we should get salt, water and onion so we can use it to send his spirit back to the room.
Okay. Alright, I'll just get it now. All right.
Stephanie, what is all this? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of all this. If I had known that things would turn out this way, I shouldn't have agreed to kill Cassie. Just shut up. Just shut it. Listen, nothing good comes easy. You can ask your friends. You must face challenges. But you didn't tell me anything. You didn't tell me all this. Oh, why I need to spell it to you word to word? Is that what you want? It's the hint, something. Shh. Listen, Lucy killed her husband. Yes, and today she's in charge of everything he had. So you must face challenges, okay? It's a good thing Cassie is even dead and gone, so why bother yourself? Yeah, it's actually a good thing. So where is his body? He might probably be here, staring at us, crying, pitifully. Stop. Please, Stephanie, stop, please. What if Cassie did not die? That means if the poison did not kill him, then just pretend nothing happened. Please, just pretend nothing happened. Okay? Okay. Why not start crying? Just cry. Oh my God, Cassie, come on! I'm just so... Please bring my husband back, please! Please bring my
Okay, when you get to the gate, just horn.
Yes, I'm with the wife right now.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Yes. Right away, sir. Right away, sir. All right, sir. Shema, please, could you excuse me?
My uncle is almost here. Yeah, he's not far.
No, please. I'm scared that's where Cassie's body is.
Okay.
We can't go there.
Have you got all the documents?
Babe, trust me, I have everything. Everything is under my possession now. What about the contract you talked about?
They just awarded it. I've signed and sent the mail details. I want us to keep his state on the low for now. Once everything is made, we move.
Babe, thank you so much. You deserve it. Come here.
So this is my nephew's mansion, eh? Exquisite, palatial, magnificent. Wow. Wow. Hey! Ijele welcome mong. If you tell these young men the importance of having a male child, they will not listen. Now that he's dead, I will not allow that his useless wife to take over the property. Never. I will not. Hey! Okoronkwo. Okoronkwo. Ibe ọnwụ na-eme. Ọnwụ. Ọbata obodo ajụrụ oyi.
Okay, sir.
Uncle Okoronkwo. Uncle?
Okay. Yes, I want to see the body of my nephew so that I can perform the necessary death rites before anything else can be done. Take me to the room where he's laid now.
That won't be necessary. He is dead, he is dead. Let's just call the ambulance and take him out of this house.
Woman, this is tradition and it must be fulfilled.
Whatever. Just make it fast.
By the way, where is Chioma? Agunia? Agunia? Ugobuzu ochake? Chinwata kwako? Ha? Ha? Emelio? 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 Bodike, bodike. Bodike, bodike. Ụbọchị ọgụ amacha dike. Ọkwa na-emele nwaanyị apụọ na-emele onye dị mma. Lelie n'ụzọ abụrụ m ofe, ebiletienu mmanwụ. Ebiletienu mmanwụ. Ijere ije awele. Ọdịbanya dị na mba. Ọdịbanya dị n'Igbo. Jee ijere nke ọma. Ijere ije awele. Nwoke ụbọchị ụtụtụ. Kasi binye. Kasi binye. Binye na-achị efogo. Ka ị malụ n'ife obodo na-achọ. Ka obodo wedele n'udo. Kasi binye. Chefurugo. Hey! Akwụkwọ ọkụkọ adụ mma mmakwụba. Mba na-abalago n'azụ agwa ya fụlago ya agba ọsọ. Jee ije nke ọma. Jee ije nke ọma. Jee ije nke ọma. Ije awele. My wife. Take heart.
Thank you, Uncle.
Pull yourself together. It's done.
Thank you, Uncle.
Hey. Mana Roma amaka. Roma amasiala. Roma amasiala. O nwere atụ.
Wow. Everybody for this house, they play, they play. No see this old man, we just come, na. Just come in here, they chook everywhere, chook. They chook everywhere. How it happen now? I no trust that man. From the moment he entered this house, they sense trouble. This man now, if he begin to claim everything we did this house, if he chance Choma,
say what happen. If that kind of thing no dey possible, what did they talk? Even if say Choma cold like water, me I go make her hot. If she don't know what she go do, I go show her what she go do. Which kind of old man? Where in the way they make the money? That kind of still dey rain. You know they rain again, no?
You don't know this village old man, no. This man say if he claim say he won't carry Choma they marry, he won't they do Choma. You don't know. You never see village people now. Now village people come so this man I no trust him. But maybe they watch that one too.
You don't they no fit do anything.
Come again, another one dey. Chiki. Look they me. Na my eye dey ground. Anya rumana. Chiki. Alpha, no they smell anything.
Like waiting.
Valerie. Chiki and Choma be like say they do collabo. Something they happen.
Collabo. They don't have musician me.
Oh, no be musician now. They do. They tell you say Chika and Choma, their way no pure. The things I don't know what they talk. Now, okay, as we enter here now, we ask Chiki, how you do already fly come this house? You don't even think at all. Okay, as we ask him now, Chiki, after how you take, he say dead body call him. No, he call dead body. No, dead body. You know they saying something.
You're right too. You dey try make sense, so but I know one reason now. I know just one reason at all.
You know the ever reason. You know you, Valerie. You know the ever reason. If not beside your friend, for don't die.
No, don't try me. I beg, no try me. No try me.
Because your sense don't spoil. Make the go inside.
Beg. I beg you.
My wife, please come.
Uncle.
How far? Have you gathered all the documents?
Hey, Uncle Okoronkwo, don't you think it's rather too early for this?
I know, but he is dead. He is dead and he is dead. I don't want you to lose out completely. See, I'm just concerned.
Thanks for your concern. Even though I suspect you.
What do you mean you suspect me?
How am I sure you're not the ones that killed him?
Abomination. May our ancestors forbid that.
Oh, just shut up! Shut it! You just came and the first thing you care about is his properties? We take this useless incantation out of this compound! I said get out!
I'll deal with you.
Deal with yourself first.
I'll deal with you.
Deal with yourself first.
Shurudili. I'll deal with you. Nobody dares me.
You think I see this your red cap?
Nobody dares me. Nobody stands on my nose and gets balance. No man challenges me.
Here? Stephanie and Choma, we can't be doing this now. At least let's respect the dead. Uncle Koronkwo, please leave them. We are bereaved and emotions are taking place. Please, let's tolerate each other at least for once.
Yes, she's right. Uncle, please, I beg you in the name of God, please, let's not do this, okay? Let's not do this. Let us learn to forgive each other, at least for today. With the way things are going right now, anybody can say what he or she doesn't mean. Please.
Never I have you.
Please.
Oh.
Please.
Uncle,
please. Anybody can say what he or she doesn't mean right now. It's my brother, my bosom friend. My bosom friend, he's the one we are mourning right now.
I don't even understand why you are begging this man with red cap.
Please, Stephanie, please.
She is still ranting and talking rubbish. Chike.
Sir, please, just relax, okay? It's my friend. friend, my bosom friend. Yes, my bosom friend we're talking about. He's dead.
What's going on? Is that not the uncle they have been waiting for? We have other things to do at the clinic. I really don't know. Excuse me, sir. Please. What is going on? Is that not the uncle that we have been waiting for?
He's the one.
Okay. So don't you think we call the ambulance?
Oh, you're right. Let me confirm first. Excuse me. I think you can make the call.
All right.
Excuse me.
There, what's going on?
Baby girl.
I don't understand. Everyone in this house are mourning. And here you are with a bottle of vodka. Like, are you okay?
Yes, baby girl, I am okay. I just want to take a drink.
Can you get conscious at all?
What concern conscience here? Na me kill Cassie. Na me kill am.
I say, no, you can do. No, they say no. You guys pretend.
Pretend.
What are you doing? You guys are drinking.
Yeah, we're drinking, baby girl. Do you care to join me?
No, please.
What? Hey, stop all these things. Stop them. I beg. Stop them. Hey, Choma. Stop giving me that look. We know that you killed your husband.
What?
Awesome, what?
What are you talking about?
Of course. How is it possible that he died just like that? Who?
Explain.
No, please, ladies. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I can never kill my husband. We both were attacked.
My God. You both were attacked. Say that to the parents. Not like this attack they do. Not like this. Okay, how is it that Cassie was very, very healthy? From the office, he just got here, bam! And death. Attackers, killer.
Listen. See, babe, let me tell you something. Do not insult us. Yes, I know you're actually trying, to play smart. And you don't know we are smarter? Yes, we bad past you. We worse past you. Which kind of devilish heart be that? We get her past you. We don't get rid of many people. And you're here.
Please take your voices down, okay?
Listen, we place our husbands where we want them to be. We're crooks. So please don't even act smart at all. We will applaud you for doing this, baby.
No, please just stop. Not we. There's no we here. I did not kill my husband. I can never do that. We were attacked.
Susan, how did it happen? I heard he was strangled.
What exactly do you want to hear? What exactly have you not heard? That the hoodlums you sent attacked my sister and her husband. My sister was badly injured, and your brother tried to play the hero. In the process, he was strangled to death. What else do you want to hear?
I did not ask you. Please spare me your pomposity. I did not ask you, busybody. Susan, has this matter been reported to the police?
How can it be reported to the police when you said no one should step an inch?
It's okay. At this point, I think I should involve the police.
Chomicho. Don't worry. We got you. Of course, we got you.
We got you.
Chomi is pained. But if I don't kill him, if I don't kill him, my own 9 best friend. If I don't kill him, 2 of you on a bad pass.
My main concern is this
injury. No, they give us that look. We don't be police. We know you. Are you killer? Don't be big deal. Please just stop all this. Stop.
We can have this. And you? Let's have a toast.
What exactly are we toasting to?
We're toasting to a clean Jezebel. A smooth operator.
Of course.
The one that smoothly killed her husband and have refused to confess and confide in her friends.
To the newest member of Live Your Life As You Want Women Association.
Welcome to the association.
Please just stop this, ladies, okay? Okay, fine. I'm ready to confess. Amazing.
Come now. Come give us the gist, baby girl. Tell us how you did it.
Listen to me. The truth is that I wanted to get rid of my marriage to Cassie. And but I did not kill him. I didn't kill him, honestly. I can't even be that callous to him. He's just a victim of circumstance, you know. I can't do that to my husband. I did not kill him, and that's fine now, honestly.
Choma.
Yeah?
I do not believe you. I mean, I do not buy that crap.
Maybe I think I believe her. What in the I said that he's not be shaking your husband.
Yes!
Oh, so bad. It's so see. I'm actually hot. I'm hot. Baby girl, how are you going to cope? I feel for you. I feel for you.
Hello. Listen, I told you, don't call me. Don't call me. I'll be the one calling. Don't call me. Listen, just calm down. If you keep calling me, you will expose me, okay? Stop calling me. I told you I don't love her. I don't love anything about her. She's the one falling head over heels in love with me. I don't have any love interest in that. My interest is just to get the money from her, and then we elope, both of us. We just go to a very far country and just stay there together and enjoy ourselves. Spend our happy ending together, okay? Listen, okay, sweetheart, don't... Listen, I love you. You know I love you so much. I love everything about you. I love the print of your leg on the... It's not okay. Bye. I'll call you back. Bye.
She's a wolf in sheep clothing. She's a striker, waiting for the chance to strike.
Well, the estate security was here earlier to inform us that it wasn't just this house that was attacked. Several houses was also attacked. So I think we should let them do their job.
Who could have done this to my brother?
The hoodlums he sent did this to your brother.
You again?
Uncle, please calm down. See, this is not time for this right now. I think none of us is safe. This is not the only place that this attack took place. I just got off a call right now that our manager has been assassinated a few minutes ago. And after the manager and the next person on that cadre, I don't even think I'm safe again. I think I need to find a safe haven. So please, all this rancor now is not welcome. What we should be talking about right now is to go and deposit his body in the mortuary and then find a way and disperse. You're not safe. You're not even safe, uncle. Nobody's safe. Please.
You should caution her. I don't like the way she's indicting me
Uncle,
for something I did not do.
Uncle, leave her.
You should caution her.
Caution her for what? Caution her for saying the truth?
Uncle, I told you earlier that anybody can say anything right now. Just calm down.
It's
okay?
not anybody can say anything. I'm scared of this man in the red cap.
Definitely.
This man in red cap is a big suspect.
Uncle, even you're not even safe. You're not even safe because you're taking me again. Yes, you're not even safe. You could be in the next target. Calm down, please. Shh, I am not a ghost. I am not a ghost. I'm alive. My wife tried to kill me, but I did not take the poison. Please, what I need you to do for me is just go down and distract them to come up here so that I can get access to the living room. Please, let me put an end to all this once and for all. I am not a ghost. I'm alive. Please. I am not a ghost. I am not. Let's go.
Hey! Oh, my own Cassie. My own Cassie.
She's just
Oh. Tommy, calm down. Tommy.
What? What's it?
What is it? I don't understand what is happening.
Talk to us.
What is happening?
Cassie, you can go and see for yourselves. What? What happened?
Did what?
Did what? Go and see for yourself. What's wrong with my husband? See what? Chuma, come now. What are you talking about? Chuma. Don't say anything.
Hey! Hey! Hello. Abomination. Uduru ba mi anu njoroko.
She's a clean Jezebel, pretender to the worst. The more you look cold, the less you see. I don't know how an enemy become a friend. Oh, she's a mistake under the green grass. She's a liar, she's a killer, she's a wolf in sheep clothing, she's a striker, waiting for the chance to...
This has never been heard in the history of Okoroko family. Not in the lineage. Not even once. Hey! Alo Okpa. Uduru ba mi anu njoroko.
Check on that.
Hey! Come back! Come on. It's him now. I don't touch him. Eh? No, God, no, God. Ah.
Brother.
Oh, yeah, now.
My husband.
Hey, which husband? Your husband Zwaga. No try him. No even try go near.
Are you crazy?
Hey, baby. Hey, check. Hey, and they tell you, see, no be before. No be before that time when they tell me, hey, get up. You get up.
Will you stop that? You is left drunk.
Are you mad? No, idiot.
Shut up.
If I just go back and give you 5 headache, you see that happen.
Listen, what has come over you?
Hey, make I tell you, see, no be before, now new era. No be that time when they tell me, say, I don't do anything. Go get out! My friend Susan, go back!
Baby.
Baby, be what on? Baby, I get a be what on? Baby, be what on? Oh, this woman. You see, she thinks she dey wise. Mugu. Don't carry him. He's busy. I mean, she dey speak English. Car. Okay, we employ me one over call. Car. Idiot. Tell me they give me instruction. Tell me say make I come out. Hi, this woman. I go punish you. My oga. Check it. I got number. Good. This woman delete oga number from my phone. Oh. No wonder. For the first say she deleted this number. Now be say she get something. Car! Ewu! This idiot! Oga why they work for 4 years? No, say I carry a number. The number they here like say tomorrow no day. Oga number. I go call him. 070. May I dey call him idiot. 354. He dey my head. The 2 numbers sef dey my head. 20352. The other one still dey. The other one. 081 881 5794. He dey here. The idiot. You go delete him. Say my local oga. The person wey dey give you. Hey, yeah, hello, sir. Sir?
Ethan, please, just hang around, okay? And make sure your phone is on. She asked me to come home for lunch, and I'm going home now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
She asked you to come home for lunch. Chai, okay, be very careful. Yeah?
Don't worry, I've got this. Trust me.
Okay. Okay. I have all these too. Trust me.
But let's make sure your phone is on.
Oh, yeah, 24 hours. Phone.
I asked him to hang around and pretend like he has left the city. Because I was wondering why my wife would discharge our security man and ask him not to call me. Why?
Okay, you don't even know. She even deleted your number from my phone. She dey here now. Tell me say, we are the travel, but I will day long. Etim, give me your phone. Make I put my number. That's why I get the number. I don't know if you start delete the number. I get Oga number for her. He dey here. In 2 numbers time, he dey here. May I call her for you? May I call? Make I 07. Make I begin call you number. Car.
Choma, I loved you. I came back home to surprise my wife, only for me to hear my wife on a love call with someone. Then I went to the park to see.
I've told you, okay? Trust me. Soon all this will be over and then we can live happily ever after. I love you more. I can't wait. Honestly, I just can't wait. Um, babe, can I call you back later? All right, thank you. Love you. Hello, Steph.
Hello, Chi? Chi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Please, I really have this pressing question. Are you sure that the poison is going to kill Cassie?
Listen, Akanchi is the best in this. Just do as I've told you. Put the substance and its juice and give to him. Before you know it, he will just die.
Okay, I believe you. I believe you, honestly. I just can't wait. I can't wait to just get him out of the surface of the earth tomorrow. I can't wait. Eh? See me now. Huh? At least if he dies now, I can be able to have my freedom. I'll live happily. I'll be living like Valerie and Lucy. You know what I'll do, Steph? I'll be so nice to him from this evening. So that when I get that drink poisoned, one time he'll take it and he won't even suspect anything. That's just my plan.
Okay, darling. Just carry out the instruction. Carry it out squarely, okay? See you later. Bye.
Bye. Jeez, finally.
And I got the shock of my life. You planned to kill me. If I had taken that poison, I would have died.
God forbid. God forbid.
But somehow I did not.
The more you look cold, the less you see. I don't know how an enemy become a friend. Oh, she's a green snake.
I played along for you to think that you have succeeded.
She's a clean Jezebel, pretender to the worst. The more you look cold, the less you see. I don't know how an enemy become a friend. Oh, she's a green snake under the green grass. She's a liar, she's a killer, she's a wolf in sheep clothing. She's a striker, waiting for the chance to strike. Oh, her face is clean, pure, looking so innocent, but her heart is filled with wickedness. Oh, Jezebel, you are so dangerous. Jezebel, you are so dangerous. Jezebel, Jezebel, you are so dangerous. Jezebel, you are so dangerous.
I was looking for the easiest way out of the compound. Because obviously I could not jump the fence. That was when I started acting like a ghost until Atim showed up.
nothing again. Okay, what happened now? This is what we did. You know where anything. What you tell me?
Listen, what I want you to do now is go to the police station. I can't reach them. Tell them to come to my house now. It's very urgent. Go.
Police station, what?
Yes, just
what happened? Just go. No, okay, tell me now. Tell me, forget politics. I can't. I got on the madam. As I need the first one.
Just go to the police station. The one in the estate. Go. Tell them it's urgent that they should come to the house.
Which of the police?
The one at the estate.
Okay. Yes. You know, say that time you tell me say make I hang around. I can't do. I should stay around. That's I should just stay around. I'm staying around. Yeah. Oh, police you. Shot. Hey, go. We are traveling. Go here. Shot. I call him, I no call him. If you call him now, something go spoil. Bah! I will go there. If that we won't do, okay, make it do me too. I won't call you and say, I feel call now the thing will come cause problem. Now, when you go the thing, say something there. I say, nah, that thing where mother won't do, you make it do to me too. Now make me enter.
I have already asked Etim to call the police. And they are here with us as we speak.
Come back here!
Baby, please, I can't explain, please.
You're mad.
You don't have to please.
Respect. You never out.
Come on, get out.
Baby, please. Please.
Chike, I took you like a brother. But you betrayed me. You stabbed me in the back by sleeping with my wife and conniving with her to get me killed.
Hey! I talk him! I no talk him! These two!
Okay.
Chioma, do you know that Chike has a girlfriend that he plans to elope with when this is successful?
Udenenku. What? Eh? Okay.
And as for this your half-sister Stephanie, it might also interest you to know that she has plans of doing away with you after this.
Amaki de abanansi. Hey!
You. Why? Why what? Why me? You. How could you?
Just take them away. Take them away.
I'm Inspector George from B Division Police Station. Mrs. Chioma Anyanwu, you're under arrest for attempted murder of your husband. You, Chike and Stephanie, both of you are under arrest for conspiracy.
Lucy and Mrs. Val, you are also needed at the police station.
What for? I did nothing. Even me.
We shall explain when we get there, okay?
Oh yeah, move! Both of you, move! Move it!
No, move! I never
Move!
Can I talk to my
No,
husband? I
Move.
What?
Now, God be praised. I am disappointed in you, Uncle.
For now, I have no words. Just leave my house.
You know better say make we go call police, make they carry am go.
Just leave my house.
Hey.
I said leave my house.
Hey. I'm not missing I have not handled this. I don't get respect. I'm not one maki sit lane can ya fat and folio kubikonu. You sit lane ke we ganya atane fo ganya move it. Ma for what that cap begging for me. What? On a get it. You see I want to get me the killer. I'm going to get a Nothing no matter what you level. Oh, my father and oh. Papa. Yala. What's the name for this? Is it there with you? I don't know the one. Can you imagine? Nah, yeah? Fear what? Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I guess we are done here.
I go open gate for her. Hey!
Thank God you are alive.